Hello and good day everyone. This is Dr. Joffler Delis and welcome back sa atong new rebranded page, the Cebuano Hip and Knee Specialist. We were previously known as Dr. Joff Hip and Knee Arthritis, and for several reasons we did a rebrand. And hopefully if you are still following me, tell your friends na and followers na we are now the Cebuano Hip and Knee Specialist. The same page, the same doctor. Of course, we're trying to put out videos every week, and it's very possible na we are going to move to a once a week na video na lang, and that would be probably every Sunday at 6 p.m. But because I keep on promising na we do videos for mga hip and knee arthritis every Saturday and Sunday, mauna na we did this recording, and hopefully before I leave, this gives you value. As you know, na atay grupo or Facebook group na gitawag og Hip and Knee Arthritis Philippines. That group is still active. If you know someone with hip or knee arthritis na ganahan mo join sa atong community para matabangan sila so that they can get in touch with other mga arthritis patients. Of course, you can also ask directly sa chat group ug mga pangutana or questions about arthritis. Please feel free to join our Hip and Knee Arthritis Philippines na Facebook group. And we will be combining or fusing na atong page with the mga patients na injury sa tuhod. That is why naamang gyud tay separate Facebook group, no, or Facebook group para sa mga na-injury sa tuhod, dili ka ng arthritis na from sports. We usually do that every Sunday also at 6 p.m. We will be fusing this together atong live para makapangutana mo at the same time. And hopefully we can also invite kung naamoy mga injuries sa tuhod sa atong ikaduha na Facebook group, the ACL Reconstruction Community Cebu. If naamoy na ilhan na injury sa tuhod, pwede mo definitely na mo join sa atong libre na mga duha ka grupo. The first group being Hip and Knee Arthritis Philippines para sa na arthritis sa hips or sa knee. Ang hips di ay kanang sa may bugan, di ay na dili na kanang sa may batang, no. Sa may bugan dapit, the singit, the groin, usually this is where we have kanang diri dapita ba mo ni atong may hips na joints. And of course, for the na-injury sa tuhod, kanang nagsakit ang tuhod nato diri from sports and all those mga different basketball, volleyball, taekwondo, soccer. You can definitely see us in the clinic. Naapagyapon ko sa clinic kanang gitawag og Cebu Orthopedic Institute sa Robinson Cybergate, Cebu. And I'm there Monday and Friday, 10 to 2:30 p.m. That being said, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Again, my name is Dr. Jonathan Flordelis. You can call me Dr. Joff, your Cebuano Hip and Knee Specialist. And with this, I'm sharing this video kay nag-promise mo ko last week na two-part series on hip knee. I actually entitled this Walk Again and Without Pain because para sa mga na-injury sa hips, na arthritis sa hips, sakit kaayo na, nagalisod sila og lakaw, and of course, ang atong mga arthritis warriors are struggling with this pain. So, moving forward, daghan kaayo og mga pangutana ang mga pasyente, and usually these are the universal questions, no? Kung kani ba dok, makatabang ba ni sa ako, kay kulang akong budget, nagalisod ko muna na wa kay ko nagpa-opera, maura bagid ni ang only solution, di pa pwede magpahilot, and these are valid questions. So depende gyud na sa unsay ato ang problema, but if it's really severe arthritis or a hip fracture, that is where we have kaning mga surgeries na musulod kanang mga hip replacement. And we understand na for others, budget is a problem. Mauna mo offer ta og kanang solutions like kanang charity na surgery, charity hip replacements para sa mga patients. And we always thank our patients for their courage to go to a doctor kay kabalo gyud mi na daghan hadlok mo duol og doktor. But I'm telling you that this is different because lahi na ni karon. We have so many advances na we can now do hip replacement without cutting muscle. And that means na less pain and makauli dayon ang pasyente. Di ni siya theory. We really aim to put the ability back in your life. We've been with different surgeons sa akong training. One of them does 1,600 per year na mga different direct anterior hip replacement. Mauni ang ginabuhat nila kay walay muscle makat. And why it is for mga patients with hip arthritis, with AVN, with dysplasia, ganahan gid ko makatabang sa inyuha para makabalik mo sa paglakaw na dili na sakit, no? And that is the only way na mabalik nato ang abilidad ninyo na makalakaw. We want to put the ability back in your life so that you can do what you want to do. And if it is a hip fracture, a dysplasia, a vascular necrosis, or AVN, kay mao ni kung severe arthritis, maura gyud ni ang solution, and you may be wondering pwede ba ng mga injections. Very temporary manggod na sila. That is why I always tell my patients na yes, you can try these things, but the one thing na makapawala and makapalakaw ninyo, maura gyud ni. So if you're asking na is this for me, kaning gitawag og hip replacement, doc, am I too old, am I too young, am I strong enough, kay na ako'y high blood diabetes, unsa pa na. This is why we always screen our patients and need gyud ta og clearance sa mga medical doctors, mga internist. If naatay mga batan-on kaayo, we refer them gihapon. If naay mga tigulang kayo samot, no, labi na kanang naay mga high blood ug diabetes, need gihapon ni nato og clearance from a specialist sa high blood, specialist sa diabetes. Kay dili man ko specialista diha sa hips ug knees raman ta. So we definitely team up kay mura man tag mga Avengers, no, we help patients as a team. So para asa man ni di ay ang mga hip na replacements, doc. These are for patients with hip fractures, with AVN again, kanang naay mga severe arthritis sa hips, dysplasia sa hips, sometimes for mga failed surgery ug mga tumor sa di ay sa mga hips. And if you actually stay to have it done, mo commit gyud ta na makabalik mo sa paglakaw, and that's what we want. There are patients like kaning mga patients nato na magtakiang, no, sa
Yan lang sa tungoy, then balik lang may kayo.
and maklaro gid nimo ang takiang niya. And after the hip replacement, you'll notice na amay na siya mulakaw. And this patient is actually already abroad, no? Trabaho na siya abroad. He went to the US to work, and he had a severe arthritis already from AVN. Also, kanang mga pasyente na natumba, it can be, caused by a hip fracture na dili na makalakaw. But like this lady here, natumba siya sa iyang balay, di na ka bangon, and she needed a hip replacement. And this is what we do para sa mga elderly patients, para makalakaw sila og usab. One of the patients here, 5 months kapin na siya dili makalakaw, and day after surgery she was already walking.
Okay, walker, but good. Okay, very good. Walker.
So you can see na we've done a lot of patients, mga ibisag mga 90 years old, after mga hip replacements from fractures, walking na. And I'm happy to say na we do our best and commit gyud para makabalik ang pasyente sa paglakaw. It's also a two-way commitment because you also need to commit to yourself. Dili raman kami magtrabaho. Hasta ang pasyente will definitely commit, needed ang ilang commitment to get back the ability. There's an exercise protocol, a rehab protocol, a physical therapist, a rehab doctor. Again, these are part sa atong team. Lain-lain na doktor na makatabang nato para makalakaw og usab. There are patients na duha ka hips buhaton, like kanisiya. If you notice, wala na siya nagagamit sa iyang crutches. And this is also very possible. Again, I am Dr. Jonathan Flor-Delis. We are rebranding our Dr. Joff Hip and Knee Arthritis to the Cebuano Hip and Knee Specialist. We also are continuing, TikTok nato. A little bit about myself. I'm part of the Philippine Orthopedic Association, the Hip and Knee Societies of Philippines, and also 25 years na ta sa Cebu Orthopedic Institute. Ang clinic is 25 years old, dili ako 25 years na sa clinic. I was started there in 2016, and we are a group of different subspecialty na orthopedic doctors na espesyalista sa kamot, sa likod, sa tiil, sa tuhod ug sa hips. Yours truly, daghan kaayo mi. So if you think of a one-stop shop para sa mga orthopedic mga problems, pwede mo muadto sa clinic. A little bit about myself. We first did training sa hip replacement dito sa Australia, followed by diri sa Cebu City, Chongwa. We also promoted this direct anterior approach, which is the hip replacement without cutting muscle. I did more training for this Innsbruck, Austria, and of course, I'm continuing my medical education so that I can serve mga the Filipinos here in Cebu City and even the Visayas and Mindanao area. Of course, if you want to know my story, why I do what I do, tungod gini sa COVID nagsugod. And because of COVID, there were no patients, walay na balian from may mga trauma ba, walay mga traffic, walay mga sports, and that is why we are committing to the hip and knee arthritis patients. Nakatabang gyud ganahan sad ko na ang pasyente makauli og dali. That's what COVID taught me. The patients want to go home early, and I want the patients to go home early as well. We are now doing this hip replacement na walay muscle gikat. If you can see in the picture here, retract lang ang muscles towards each side. This is what we do. Since no muscles are cut, there are now ways na halos dili na maklaro ang we do bikini incisions na sad. This is a patient na before surgery, nagatakan siya. And after surgery, nawa gid ang takiyang. She's now back working sa building roads and bridges. That's why she's here in the video, and I hope this inspires you. Kay nakalakaw na gid siya without crutches. Very happy. 6 weeks after surgery. So with much love and respect, I want you guys to know na we are here for you. You can find me at Cebu Orthopedic Institute with my different partners na specialista sa lain-lain klase na sakit. So much love and respect. This is Dr. Joff. And remember na we are rebranding to the Cebuano Hip and Knee Specialist sa Facebook. Bye-bye. And I hope to see you next time.